Okay, so we've created the operators. Now we want to change the role permissions. So we'll go into settings again. And this is useful for example, you want your manager to have certain kind of access to the computer, and you want your cashier or your waiter to have a certain kind of access. So what we'll do is we'll go into, we've got operators here, we'll go into security. In security, by default, these are all the options that you can have. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a name called cashier, and in the cashier, what I'll do is I will disable certain things. So, for example, I'll disable refund. I'll disable no sale. I'll disable. What else can I disable? Modifier plus minus. I'll disable the discount button. I'll disable the reports. Now the report, there's a few different reports, so I'm just going to disable all the things that say report over here, just to be safe. And even stock report, I'll disable that. So I'll disable these two as well. So now I'll go apply, and I've got cashier, and I've actually got to click save as well. So I've got save and then apply. So cashier has these things that they can do, and in default anyone can do this. So when I go into members now, not into members, sorry, when I go into operators, you'll see here there's a group over here. So I'm going to click on that, and the permission I'll give cashier to myself. So I'm going to go apply, and Tom over here, you'll see that they're default. So when I go apply and I go close, let's say I log off, and I'm going to log on as Kern, which is number 1, and I've logged on here. When I go into utility, you'll notice that some of these buttons are missing. So for example, the report button here is missing. And in miscellaneous, there's a few other buttons here that are missing, such as the refund and the no sale button. But if I log off here, and then I'm logging on as Tom235, log on, you'll see all these buttons appear again. So no sale, you've got the refund button here, and you've got the report button here as well. So that's how you change. The first step is to create logins for your staff, and then the second step is to create the permission role.